All right, y'all. So we're back and you're back. And we're back doing another unboxing with Queen Peasy. And today I got another Wish package. Just another small bag. There's a couple of items in it. And I'm going to be getting a bigger box later on today, and I'll be doing an unboxing of that box as well. So let's get to it. Okay, so there was a mask inside, and it's actually kind of cute, you guys. And this ring. The ring doesn't look like it did on Wish, but it is cute. So, never mind my nails, you guys, because I told you that was my first time doing acrylics, so they suck. But anyway, don't judge me. This is the mask. I think it's adorable with the little butterflies. I think it's so cute. And like I said, the ring. And this was all its little packaging. I just did it off camera so I wouldn't get you guys all worked up with that loudness I did the last time. But I don't know what these are. But they were in there. And this was in there as well. So whatever they are, I don't know. Maybe they were just the people that made the stuff. So regardless. Very cute from Wish. All right, y'all. Peace out.